Want to make money online in 2025, but don't have any skills? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 websites that pay you real money for doing simple online tasks like watching videos, clicking ads, labeling images, and more. No experience needed, no investment required. Let's get started. First on our list is Swagbucks, a trusted platform that pays users for doing microtasks like watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, and even shopping online. Swagbucks has paid over $900 million to users around the world. You earn SB points and redeem them for PayPal cash or gift cards. It works best if you are from the US, UK, or Canada, but some features are available. At number 2, we have Sprout Gigs, previously known as Pico Workers. It's a microtask platform where you can earn money by doing very simple jobs, like liking a video, following a social media account, testing websites, or writing short comments. Most tasks take just 1 to 2 minutes and pay anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars. The best part? It's available worldwide, and you can withdraw your money using Payeer, Skrill, Litecoin, or even Airtm. Perfect for beginners with no experience. At number 3, we have Ysense, a popular website where you can earn money online by taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and referring friends. It's easy to use and works in many countries, including the US, India, Philippines, and Pakistan. The best part? Payments are sent through PayPal, Skrill, or gift cards. It also has a daily checklist bonus that gives you extra earnings. So there you go. 3 legit websites where you can earn real money by doing simple online tasks. It won't make you rich overnight, but it's a great way to earn some extra income using just your laptop or phone. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which website you want to try first.